Welcome back to another exciting video, guys. In this video, I am going to show you how can you easily host your Lovable website to Hostinger. Okay, I am going to host this portfolio website which I have created for myself. It features my website designing services. Okay, so let me open this website into a new tab and let me show you the website in complete details before I migrate so that you can get the clear idea. So this is the website I am going to migrate. Okay, it features my website development services, my experiences, my portfolios, okay, skills and technologies with lots of other nice sections. Okay, and it's looking completely professional. I have made it using Lovable in minutes. Before that, it used to take me days to create this kind of website with complete manual coding, but now using AI I can create it within minutes. Okay, I'm using this kind of AI techniques for my client projects as well. Okay, so in order to host this website on Hostinger, we will need to connect this website to GitHub first. Okay, we will push all the Lovable website codes to our GitHub, and after that we will download the code files from there. Okay, so in order to do that, let's click on the GitHub icon right here. Okay, and click on connect GitHub. Once you will click on this button, it will ask you to connect the project. Okay, so click on the connect project button. Great, it will ask you to choose an organization. If you haven't created any, you can simply create one over here. I have already created one, so I will select that and click on transfer anyway button, and it will sync the Lovable to my GitHub repository. Okay, and after that it will upload all the website files to my GitHub account. Okay, great. So the website files are getting uploaded to GitHub repository. Let's wait for a few minutes. Let's check the website files now on our GitHub account. Amazing. I can see all the website codes over here. After verifying all the code files, click on the code button and click on download a zip. Okay, so that we can download these files or website files as a zip file. Okay, the download is in progress. Let's wait. So this is the standard method used by developers worldwide to host any kind of website to any hosting. Okay, it's perfect setup for Next.js or React websites. Okay, great. So the website files have been downloaded. Let's check it out. And here is the zip file. Okay, let's paste it somewhere safe so that we can move ahead. Okay, so let me create a folder on desktop. Let's name it portfolio website. Let's open this folder and let's paste our website files. Let's extract the zip file so that we can easily access all the website files. Great. So the website files have been extracted. Let's check it out. And here it is. Let's copy this and put it into the root location of this folder. Okay, so let's paste our codes. Okay, so the website files are here. Let's delete the zip folders. Great. So here is the clean website files. Okay, we can now use it to build our project. Okay, because we can't upload these code files directly to Hostinger, as the browser will not be able to read this kind of React codes. It will not be able to display the website using these codes directly. So let's go to Google Antigravity IDE and let's build executable files. Okay, because those files, those codes are raw ingredients. Those are not fully cooked recipe used by the browsers. Okay, so let's go to Google Antigravity and click on open folder, and let's navigate to portfolio website folder, and after that let's select this folder so that all the website files will be imported into our Google Antigravity system. Okay, and we can now use the AI power to create an executable file for our this raw website. Okay, so let's paste this prompt that I want to host this website on Hostinger. Please run the npm build commands and create the executable files out of it so that we can host it on Hostinger or any other hosting. Okay, so let's run this type of command and it will run for a few minutes and give us the executable file into the dist named folder. Okay, great. So we have got the success message that I have installed all the dependencies and built the website project, and here is the dist folder. Great. So here is the dist folder in our portfolio website, because website folder, and we can simply open this and check our website files. Now this code is fully executable and can be easily uploaded to any hosting control panel or any hosting file manager, and it will run perfectly fine. So let's go to Hostinger and upload these files. So in order to upload these files, you should have a shared hosting with cPanel. Okay, here is the plans you should have, whether you can host it on single, premium or business plans of Hostinger. I will put the link into the description so that you can simply go and purchase these kind of plans if you don't have the Hostinger as your hosting. Okay, I will suggest you the business plans because it has lots of added benefits. I already have an account with them, so let me simply log in into my Hostinger account, and after that let's click on websites. Great. After that, let's click on website lists. So I am going to use kettle.com as my domain to host this website. Okay, let's click on dashboard from here. And the website dashboard will be open. Okay, I'm going to host this website on the subdomain because it's just for testing purposes. You can host it on original domain by following these exact steps. You just don't need to create the subdomain part here because I'm doing it for the test purposes. So let me create a subdomain named Verma. After that, let's create a subdirectory named Verma. Okay, let's click on create button and our subdomain will be created. Great. So the subdomain has been created successfully. After that, let's access the file manager of this domain so that we can view our website files. So let me scroll down, click on files. After that, click on file manager, access files of kettle.com. Okay, we will be able to see the website files of kettle.com and our subdomain we have just created. Click on public HTML from here, and here is our subdomain Verma. Let's click on it. Great. Let's delete the default file because we don't need it. Great. So we are here and we can now upload our website folder. Okay, let's click on folder and let's upload the dist folder from our portfolio website from our computer. Great, it has been uploaded successfully. Now let's open it. Here is our website files. Okay, but it should be into our Verma folder directly instead of dist folder because otherwise it will be run into a subdirectory. So let's open the dist folder from here and let's move it root directory of Verma. Okay, let's select our file. After that, click on move arrow and navigate to root folder by clicking this folder icon. After that, click on move button. As you can see, the navigating path it's showing below. Okay, so you can verify it that it's going into the correct folder. Okay, I have clicked on moved button and let's go and verify the files now. Great, so it's been moved to our Verma folder correctly. Okay, let's click on the delete dist folder and let's verify it again. Great, so the files have been successfully moved. We can now access our subdomain and verify the website. And amazing guys, our website is working successfully. It has been successfully uploaded or hosted to our Hostinger hosting plan. Okay, so this is how you can simply host any Lovable website to your Hostinger or any other hosting plan with cPanel. Okay, great. This is our Lovable website preview and this is our subdomain preview on Hostinger, and they are completely identical and looking amazing. Okay, so this is how you can simply transfer or host your Lovable website on Hostinger using the power of AI. Because we have used the Antigravity AI over here, we didn't need to run any kind of npm commands like npm run or npm build. Okay, so this is how you can simply transfer this kind of website. I hope you have liked this tutorial so far. If you have liked this video, then make sure to comment on this video, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe this channel for more informational updates.